Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you should do with your bizarre food in Heartopia. So, my advice is you shouldn't throw it away and you shouldn't eat it or you shouldn't sell it to Albert. So, one of the bizarre foods will cost only 30 coins, I think. I have the membership, so it's like times 1.1. I don't know how to backtrack that, but it's not going to give you a lot of money. So what you're going to want to do is if you ever get bizarre food is you're going to keep it. Now, you're just going to keep it until you get the daily task of Dorothy requesting for food or Bob requests. I think Bob requests like specific foods, but Dorothy doesn't. So she's open to taking any foods. So there will be in the resident quest, like the resident request, sorry. Um, and you'll actually get five, like around 5,000 coins or 3,000. If you do just give it to Dorothy, she'll need like four. So I don't think you'll waste like any good foods that you've cooked. So my advice is to just keep if you have like any bizarre foods. I don't have a lot because I don't really make mistakes. I'm just kidding. I do make mistakes in real life, but not in Heartopia cooking. But there was like a bug, so I have one bizarre food here. So instead of eating it or selling it, you're just going to want to keep it until you have that resident request and you'll get more money without like losing anything because you did fail the food anyways. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!